Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to turn off location in Google Chrome guys. I'll show you guys how to do that. First open up Chrome, click on this three dot icon and select settings. On left side select privacy and security. On right side you just need to scroll down and select site settings. You just need to scroll down under the permissions. You can able to see the location option guys. Click on it. You can enable side scan, ask for your location, or you can disable don't allow sites to see your location. You just need to don't allow sites to see your location, check mark it. And if any sites allowed your location, you can delete it guys, just delete it like this. And now no more sites can use your location guys. That's how you turn off a location in Google Chrome. That's all you have to do it guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.